This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Gene Mills. Great deal for home and work on property. Property is well maintained, manufactured 2,350 square feet, 3/2 home on a permanent foundation, and a 2,400 square feet workshop/garage, all within minutes of Lake Nottely and Blairsville. Most furnishings and tools remaining. Must sell fast. Bring cash. This is ready for you to move in it and start your business tomorrow. Build boats, engine repair, paint and body shop, and more. You must come see the possibilities. Many features and benefits for a family and a business. Seller needs to move quickly. Previously a FSBO, now must bring offers directly to agent. Contact agent to show. For more information,